This Wānanga is an opportunity for those of us from Ngāti Toa Rangatira based in Porirua to come down and reconnect with our whānau and provide opportunities for our whānau in the Whakatū Wairau area to come and participate in ētahi mahi toi e pāna ki te taonga pūoro me te whare pōra.
What I love about coming here is because it's all kindred spirits, it's all people who love weaving, but you get a lot of, oh, I do this and I do that. You learn a lot.
I thought it'd be a good chance to get with some of our local legends, as you'd say, and have a go with the whānau. Safe space to learn and just play, really.
I'm here to support the kaupapa, very passionate about whānau. What I love about these Wānanga is that we're building towards every whānau potentially having their own kākahu.
I think it reminds me of a weka.
I think so too.
Yeah.
I'm wearing a kākahu made by many hands, and I'm thrilled. And to think that they would make this for me. I knew they were making it, but I didn't know it was for me.
Now, the beautiful thing about this one is that there are shades of pink in the muka, and so she thought that that was really good because it's represented the harakeke that's in her pā at the back.
Yeah, the harakeke down here is fabulous for extracting muka from.
I love the fact that they come and learn how to weave and use that harakeke here in this homestead. That harakeke was transplanted from old pā on Rangitoto.
The reason why pakohe was so valuable to us is because it was hard. Not as hard as pounamu, but it was hard enough to hold an edge, but not too hard that it was really brittle. We didn't used to use pounamu for working tools. And because it's hard, you can flake it. See that just popped off? We're on Rangitoto. Rangitoto ki te tonga, also known as the Oval Island. And we're here, we were down at Te Aumiti for a Wānanga for taonga pūoro, for ngā mahiraranga. And we took the opportunity to break in the weather to jump on a waka and come across to whai tūranga, to place our feet on the motu itself. I'm here to show the tauira of our Wānanga, the tools that our tupuna would have used in mahi whakairo, and that is the real taonga of this area, which is the pakohe, and all its different types.
Yeah, so it's an opportunity to connect not only with the taiao and the whenua, but also with the kararehe, the tamariki of our atua that are our tupuna, and really good holistically for our well-being.
There's about 40 different shades of pakohe.
Oh,
40. Yeah.
So we've been learning about the different types of pakohe, where Tamihana talked about tumutumu, where you're tapping it and you're making a oro from that sound. So this is a dense kōwhatu I found today, and with the pakohe it makes a good resonance from it when you have the right combo of kōwhatu.
So just like anything in the canon of Puoro, they're really simple, but with skill you can manipulate them to express what you want.
How did you learn that?
I'm a tutu. But it's and that's as simple as it is. A pahu pakohe. If you get the shape just right, they resonate and they ring really loud, and they keep reverberating. Now, as we got up here and came off the wharf, and I was just overtaken like the first time I walked onto Kapiti. If you feel how ancient this place is, and you feel the wairua of te wao nui a tāne I konei ka hine moana o Tangarua, ko tāwhiri e pupu ake ana, ko rangi nui e tuku nei ngā roimata, kia ua mai ki no ngai a tātou. It's in places like this that I feel really connected with atua, feel really connected with people, and to come over here with whānau is it's an experience that I'll cherish.
Tino hari ko ahau I tēnei wā, no te mea ka tai ngā whanaunga ki tāku pito o te ao, ki te whakaako I ngā mātauranga o tō tātou tupuna. Nō reira, he mihi tēnei ki ā rātou, kia tātou katoa.
I just want to mihi atu to our funders, the rata funding here in Te Tauihu. Mei kore ake ko rātou, ka whakatīnana I nei Wānanga. So had it not been, for them, we wouldn't have been able to kind of have these types of wānanga, and just a big mihi atu kia koutou, and hope you refund us so that we can come back.